Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the 3dx9_32.dll not found or missing on your PC. So let's get started. The first step, what I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, because for some people it fixed their problem simply just by restarting their computer. And if it's not the case, if the problem still persists, then I highly advise you to install the latest version of DirectX. On Google, you just need to write DirectX, and then probably it will be the first link here that says DirectX and user runtime. And then you just need to hit that, select language and download setup. And once you do that, then open up DirectX, setup, select this option here, hit next, deselect this option and install the latest DirectX drivers. And then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if you're experiencing this problem opening the game, you just need to open up your game client, go to library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your game files is corrupted, and then hit browse, or simply on search, right, look for the game, right click and open file location. And then find exe file, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, make sure these two options is not selected, right? And apply the changes. And if it's not working, then just try to reinstall the game. Just go to installed apps and then look for game, press on the burger menu and uninstall and reinstall again. Right, and if it's not working, then what I suggest you to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you just need to write CFC /scan now, one word, and a verification process will begin. And after you just need to wait until it hits 100%. And what it does, simply it will check all your computer files. And if there is some corrupted files, they will be fixed by just completing the verification process. And if it's not the case, then if the problem still persists, then what I suggest you to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, you just need to open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update, and if press this button, check for updates or install all. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so here. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA GeForce Experience. I just need to go to drivers, check for updates and install latest drivers here as well. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that, or simply you can just go to Device Manager, and on Device Manager, expand display adapters, right click on the GPU, update driver and search automatically for drivers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.